Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can import your GoPro footage on your iPad Pro 12.9 or any iPad that has access to a USB-C, or you have a dock that you can connect the SD card to. I have a USB-C dock with a SD card reader, so put your SD card into that dock or the adapter, plug that in, and it should have like a little logo at the top. Well, it says connected. For me, it doesn't show because I'm screen recording. It's connected because I have a light on mine, so I know it's connected. And second, just go into your photos, and there should be an option right here that says import. Click on that, and all your GoPro footage is loading in over here. You can import to your library, you can import to your albums you have, like a GoPro album if you have one. I'll put in my GoPro album. I don't think you can play it. You can 3D touch on it, but I don't think you can play it. It would be cool if you can, but it won't let you, and it's gonna load in, and that's about it. And then just press the button at the top right hand corner where it says import all, or select which ones you want to get imported. For mine, it would take up 18 gigabytes. Then press import all, and it's gonna start loading and importing all of my GoPro footage, and it will have the check mark that says which ones has been already imported. So this is, I guess, the fastest way to import your footage onto your iPad instead of using the GoPro app. The GoPro app takes a long time to load. Here you can just zip it right away, fast and easy. These are all my GoPro clips for my weekend trip to Porcupine Mountains with the Boy Scouts. I did backpacking, so I'm gonna be making a awesome GoPro video. And yeah, that's about it to how to import your footage from your GoPro. And yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to get more tech reviews, tech help. And yeah, see you in next video. Peace out.